My name is Bob Woodek, and I'm the Director of Channel Development at AMX. And today we're presenting our solution for being able to integrate AV products into an IT environment at a third of the cost of a traditional system. Now, one of the things that makes this very valuable for an AV dealer who's looking to do a video conferencing room or an IT integrator who's looking to do AV is the ability to integrate all of the functions in a single box. So one of the things we're showing here today is the DVX, Innova DVX box. And what we have here is this particular device has a controller, a switcher, an amplifier, a microphone mixer, an equalizer, virtually an entire 7-foot AV rack on a motherboard in a single box. This means that I can put this box in a boardroom under a credenza, hide it, and still have the same functionality that you would traditionally have in a box. As you can see here, we're controlling a projector, a display, a DVD player, a PC, a digital signage player, and we're doing this using a special touchpad that is using some software called AMX Meeting Room. And what we've done here is we've basically set this entire thing up where we can say, for example, control lighting. And let me just show you how easy this is. I just click room control, and I can move my little lamp here from 20% to 50% to all the way on right from the touch panel without having to program the touch panel in the traditional way that you used to do before. This has enabled you to take the cost of installing a touch panel enabled system down to less than half of what a traditional system costs, assuming that you're going to stay in the normal box of a couple screens and a few laptops and this type of thing. This system is now available at Almo, and you can do this without having a program certification, without having to buy any extra equipment. It's using standardized Cat5 cable to communicate to the touch panel and to the box, and it enables you to bridge and maximize the number of rooms that you have. One of the cool things too is that we've integrated our RMS system, and this is what we're showing up here. Once you put this into the room, you can actually monitor the projectors and everything that is connected to the box. The amplifier, the microphones, any devices that are attached here. So I can do things like check lamp hours. This version will control 5 rooms. I can have live integration. I can have this right next to my help desk remedy system or my HP OpenView, and I can see that, okay, I've got 301 lamp hours on this projector. That's good. I don't need to do any maintenance, but things like filter changing, and I'm getting used to the end of the lamps and whether the amplifier is working right, whether the source is. Instead of having to physically go to the room, this system that has an end user price for under $10,000 can monitor and maintain the room without having to roll a truck or even walk down to the room. I can control the room directly from here. This revolutionary system enables IT to be able to work effectively with AV without having to go through the traditional 7-foot rack and hire the 70 hours of programming. We can set this whole thing up for a video conferencing room with 2 screens, a video conferencing room system, lighting, switching, audio, etc., in about an hour and a half compared to the 70 hours that it traditionally would take using the normal systems. So this means that dealers can go to adjacent markets that may not be big enough, and they can profitably go to adjacent markets without having to use the entire infrastructure of their organization, and can maximize the number of rooms they can equip. Thank you.